What if the fastest runner in the forest lost to the slowest? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what happened. A proud rabbit loved showing off his incredible speed. One day, he laughed at a slow but confident tortoise and challenged him to a race. The race began, and the rabbit shot ahead like lightning. Certain he couldn't lose, he stopped to perform tricks, then stretched out beneath a tree and fell fast asleep. But the tortoise never stopped. Step by step, he kept moving forward with patience, determination, and unwavering focus. When the rabbit finally woke up, the tortoise was only moments from the finish line. The rabbit sprinted with all his strength, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line first, proving that consistency beats talent when talent doesn't stay consistent. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Follow for more timeless animated stories.